Hello, my name is Ray Rochester and I'm a Regional Sales Manager with Closomat, and I will spend the next few minutes taking you through some detail on Closomat, the company, the products and services. Firstly, if you haven't seen it before, this is our company vision, part of our core belief and something that every representative and employee of Closomat subscribe to. It is absolutely why we do what we do every single day. As you probably know, Closomat manufactures the Palma Vita Closomat and a wall-hung version, the Lima Vita, and has been doing so in the UK for 60 years now. As well as that, though, you may not be aware that Closomat also supplies, installs and maintains a wider range of products as shown on your screen now. The most commonly specified Closomat is the Palma Vita. There are now over 60,000 Closomats in use in the UK. The product is the UK's most commonly used wash-dry toilet. It was the very first of its kind and remains the only wash-dry toilet designed specifically for the disabled adaptations market. Of all the wash-dry toilet options available in the UK today, the Closomat has the most effective wash and dry performance, using up to 8 litres of water a minute sprayed directly at the area it is intended to clean. The products can be adapted to suit the client's need with a range of heights, alternative seats, operating methods and supports to suit everyone from a paediatric to a bariatric client. As standard, the Closomat will support a client weighing up to 30 stone. With the Big John seat fitted, it can support a client up to 57 stone. And then Palma Life, a relatively new concept in toileting, uses the very same toilet and accessories, but is sold with included annual service and warranty for 10 years from the date of install. This gives peace of mind for the client and also for the specifier. At Closomat, we work extensively to take all responsibility away from you for all aspects of specifying the wash-dry toilet. Our nationwide team of assessors are now trained to Trusted Assessor Level 4. They will carry out an assessment of the property, the client and the bathroom. Often this begins with a telephone triage before a decision is taken to visit or carry out a remote assessment. Our assessor will prepare a product specification based upon the needs of the client and to suit the environment, sometimes including an installation survey to identify any challenges that may cause an issue during the installation of the product. At Closomat, we also offer a no-quibble guarantee. This means that as long as we have carried out the product assessment, that we guarantee that the product specified will be suitable for the client given their current situation. So if, for example, we specify an incorrect height of a toilet or the wrong seat, we will rectify the error at no further cost to the LA or specifier of the product. As mentioned a moment ago, regardless of how complex the need, our process is followed through from triage to assessment, noting that all on-site assessments follow our COVID-secure procedures. Following the assessment, a written quotation is provided for your consideration. We also take responsibility for the installation. That's simple if we're doing it ourselves, but where we are not, we have developed an online installer training program to ensure that whoever fits the product installs it in the safe and correct manner. We also take responsibility for commissioning of every installed Closomat. This is more of a customer care visit during which we will make adjustments to the toilet to make the experience better for the client. At this visit, we can adjust the water temperature and pressure to suit the client needs. We can change the wash and dry times and operating methods as well. To encourage the installer to notify us of the installation immediately or as soon as possible, we have introduced QR codes on the products and packaging so that it is much more efficient getting that information to us. We also commit to carry out that commissioning visit within 10 days of install. Talking a little about service and warranty, it's important to understand there is a major difference between warranty and service warranty. If you use the analogy of a car, if you buy a car with a 5-year warranty and simply drove it around every day and never had it serviced, the likelihood of breakdown increases. If you have the same car serviced every year, you would know that at the point of service, the vehicle is in full working order and the likelihood of breakdown is greatly reduced. At Closomat, all of our service and warranty packages include an annual service of the product by one of our employed engineers. In the unlikely event of a breakdown, often the very same engineer attends to repair the product, and as his vehicle is fully stocked, first-time repair is carried out in almost 100% of cases. This level of service and warranty protects the asset and reduces the likelihood of having to replace the product. From a client's perspective, it also means that they are less likely to suffer from a loss of use of the product, and it means there is less of a burden on you, the professional, and your contractors having to respond to product issues. So Once you buy from Closomat, you're done. You're done worrying. This is because everything we do, whether that be assessment, advice, support, training, product, service, and warranty, are designed to take all the worry and responsibility out of your hands. Thank you very much for listening.